Hi, sweet as a pumpkin pie. You all cozy there on top of your cage? Up way, way up high? Way high up in the air, like over here? She's our little rescue that we rescued from the streets. She's been with us. Oh, has it been 2 years now? No longer freezing on the streets? You got this cozy little environment for you. So now you're safe and warm in the blizzard of 2022, aren't you? Yeah, that's a girl. You're such a pretty girl, Cassie. Yeah. Oh, she my baby. She my baby. Look at her. Look at how pretty she. Oh, look at how pretty she is. Ah, it's a girl. Yeah, that's little Cassie. A little rescue Cassie. We love her very much.